This is the National Theatre Vasile Alexandri in Iași, Romania. Inaugurated in 1896, this remarkable building has stood for more than a century as a symbol of culture and artistic excellence. Designed by the celebrated Viennese architects Ferdinand Fellner and Hermann Helmer, the theatre belongs to a family of grand European playhouses built during the golden age of architecture. Its facade reflects elegance, balance, and refinement, a monument shaped by history and preserved through generations. Inside, crystal chandeliers illuminate ornate ceilings. Baroque and Rococo details frame a stage that has welcomed actors, musicians, and audiences for over 100 years. The theater survived wars, political change, and the passage of time, remaining one of the most admired architectural landmarks in Romania. From above, its presence commands attention, standing proudly in the heart of Iasi, surrounded by history, light, and movement. More than a building, it is a statement of identity, a tribute to art, a testament to heritage. This is the National Theatre of Iasi, captured in 4K from the sky. This is Bulevardul Ștefan cel Mare și Sfânt, the historic axis of Iași, Romania. Named after Ștefan the Great, the 15th century ruler of Moldavia, this boulevard represents the cultural and spiritual heart of the city. For centuries, it has been the main ceremonial route of Iași, connecting institutions of faith, culture, and governance. Today, the boulevard is largely pedestrian, allowing visitors to experience the architecture and atmosphere at a slower pace. It is here that history and modern life meet. Along this avenue stands the Metropolitan Cathedral of Moldavia and Bukovina, one of the largest Orthodox churches in Romania. Completed in the 19th century, the cathedral remains a major pilgrimage site and an important symbol of faith in the region. Nearby is the National Theatre Vasile Alexandri. Inaugurated in 1896 and designed by the Viennese architects Ferdinand Fellner and Hermann Helmer. Its elegant facade and richly decorated interior make it one of the most admired theater buildings in Eastern Europe. As you continue along the boulevard, layers of architectural styles become visible. Neoclassical facades stand beside buildings from the late 19th and early 20th centuries, reflecting the period when Iasi was considered one of Romania's cultural capitals. Historically, this area has witnessed royal visits, political assemblies, and defining national events. During the First World War, when Iasi served as the temporary capital of Romania, this boulevard became a center of diplomatic and administrative activity. At the end of Bulevardul Ștefan cel Mare, the perspective opens toward Piața Palatului. Here rises the Palace of Culture, completed in 1925 in a neo-Gothic style. The building now houses several museums and stands as one of the most recognizable landmarks in Romania. Adjacent to the Palace of Culture lies the modern Palace complex. Developed in the 21st century, Palace Mall integrates contemporary architecture, gardens, and public spaces into the historic setting. It represents the transformation of Iasi into a dynamic European city, while preserving its cultural identity. From above, the boulevard reveals its symmetry and urban rhythm. The alignment of facades, the movement of people, and the glow of evening lights create a sense of continuity between past and present. Bulevardul Ștefan cel Mare is more than a street. It is a living corridor of memory, architecture, and daily life. It connects faith with art, tradition with modernity, and history with the future of the city. Seen from the sky, its path leads naturally toward the Palace of Culture and the contemporary landscape beyond, uniting centuries of heritage in one continuous line through Iași. On the horizon, you can now see the Grand Hotel Traian, one of the most elegant historic buildings in Iasi. Located in Piața Unirii, the hotel was built between 1879 and 1882 and designed by the French engineer Gustave Eiffel, the same visionary behind the Eiffel Tower in Paris. At the time, its metal structural framework was considered innovative and modern. The building reflects the refined architectural style of the late 19th century, combining French elegance with technical precision. Over the decades, Grand Hotel Traian has hosted members of royalty, political leaders, artists, and cultural figures. During the First World War, when Iasi became the temporary capital of Romania, this area gained national importance, and the hotel stood at the center of historic events. From above, its symmetrical facade and distinctive rooftop line remain a symbol of Iasi's cultural and architectural heritage. And now, as we continue our flight, we are returning to where this journey began, Bulevardul Ștefan cel Mare, Zone 0 of Iași.